Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today we're getting a new mod on the car. So you would have seen in the previous video we've got a Maxton rear spoiler lip. So we just want to balance out the front. So we've got something interesting on the front. So let's just cut to the preparation work that I did a couple of days ago.
But you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal. The light of your bike got disappear. But if it don't play that for me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it. I lick my gun and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it. No man to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away, do you? The weight of you of my shoulder. Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away to you, the weight to you, the weight to you. Don't need a no man. Tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away, do you? The weight of you of my shoulder. Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away to you, the weight to you, the weight of you. Don't need a no man. Whatever, all this ever, but you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal. The light of your bike got disappear. But if it don't play that for me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it. I lick my gun and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it. No man to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away, do you? The weight of you my shoulder. Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away to you, the weight to you, the weight to you. Don't need a no man.
So the weather's starting to look decidedly grotty, but we have got the install done. It was a dead simple install. There was some plugs, so it looks like you could probably smoke a couple of holes through your bumper to probably fit them. I'm not going to go that far. Will they hold on with just double-sided tape? Let's find out. That's what it's all about. It's part of the adventure. So if you like this very, very quick install, cheap mod, easy mod, use that discount code if you do want anything from HD Autos. This is not sponsored, by the way. And we'll see you on the next one. Until then, goodbye.